Now, speaking of Microsoft for a second, they are boosting the FPS on 74 more titles. This is a thing they've been doing. Going back, and it's a thing they can kind of maybe a little advantage for them in the console space on Series X and S is that it seems to be easy for them to go in and improve performance on titles without it needing to be a newly updated title or needing some kind of extensive modification.
Yeah.
So they went in there and boosted 74 more games. So the total number of FPS boosts now is 97 games. The latest to be added to the list, Assassin's Creed Unity, Deus Ex Mankind Divided, Wasteland 3, and Far Cry 5 are all going to move to 60 FPS on the console.
Nice.
And this is for Xbox Series X and Series S. Designed to make existing games run better. They added also 13 EA games recently, and 12 of them added support all the way up to 120 FPS. And then before that, they upgraded a bunch of Bethesda games because, they did that acquisition. So they got right to work on that, improving the performance of those titles. So it's a lot of FPS boosts. So I like to see it when you have a pre-existing thing that you already have get better. Like you don't have to, this doesn't require anything from you. It just got better.
Yeah.
I like that. Oh, bonus for you. A couple extra frames.
There you go.
You're not one to complain about a couple extra frames. You'll take it.
No, I think it's nice to kind of go back to the classics and maybe play it at a different experience. A better one.
Did you play Far Cry 5? What'd you play?
Oh, man, I don't remember which one it was.
I feel like I saw you playing that game.
Oh, yeah, this one. Yeah.
Yeah, you were like, check out these graphics, dude. I was like, whoa. That was a time.
Yeah, this one was really fun.